Hello YouTube, it's Onyx Partition here, and here is my finished snowplow, backhoe, loader, lawn tractor, whatever you want to call it. I've been working on this project for probably about 6 months now. I bought it in pieces from a guy for 3,100 bucks. Hydraulics, everything was there, it just needed to be put together. So the loader wasn't attached. He had a little bit of the base framework attached. He had the backhoe all pre-built but not attached and needed a lot of fabricating to get things to work properly. And I have been making videos of the process, sort of little update videos, but I just haven't had time between, you know, finishing up school and getting this done and starting work again. So we got her to a point where she runs great. I had to replace the engine. This tractor is an MTD 990. I believe it was built in 75, but I got tired of having engine problems, so I got in Canada we have Princess Auto, it's your Harbor Freight, and I got this 420cc engine. So I think I can't remember what they're called in Harbor Freight, but anyways, I got it for $269 Canadian, which is actually really good. It would have been cost me $300 to get a tune-up of the old engine, so I completely replaced the engine, redid the wiring. The wiring was very suspect on the old one. There it is on the floor there, and I didn't really trust it, so redid the wiring. I put a new ignition in. I got the old light switch I have now changed out to do a bunch of other shit, and a horn. It didn't have a horn before, and it's really works great. So I'll go get the key and we'll get her started up here.